and welcome. My name is Allie, and I want to share a very special company with you. We're helping people just like you save an average of $5,000 to $10,000 per year on the things you already buy, like online shopping, car insurance, computers, travel and vacations, fun and entertainment, dental, health benefits, and even taxes. We've been in business since 2006, and we have an A+ rating with the BBB. We've already helped families just like yours save thousands of dollars a year, with over $100 million in travel savings and over $100 million in insurance savings too. Our company has a powerful mission to help over 1 million families become debt-free. We have something for everyone, whether you're just looking to save money or if you're looking to make some extra money. And we've already paid millions to our affiliates. Don't miss this amazing opportunity to save money or make a great income from home too. Congratulations for taking your first step to learn more.
I feel so privileged to be part of this company with this incredible leadership.
Anyone who's listening to this, whether you're a parent or not a parent, this company, it has so much to offer.
I've been here since 2019, so something must be right. It's the best compensation plan, dollar for dollar.
I am so pumped up about this opportunity. When we talk about generosity and what this company is giving, it's more than anything I've ever seen in my whole life. This is life-changing.
I tell people, you might retire, your bills will never retire. Why not save the money and have a vacation at the same time?
On the first try with Savings Highway Global, $1,280 a year on my car insurance alone. Not to mention all the other savings that are there as well.
Every time I use the travel system, I save money, and I so appreciate getting paid every single Wednesday. Yes.
I love SHG. My son is in the Air Force. He's 18 years old, and he just saved about $130 a month on his car insurance. So I'm excited for him, and he gets to invest that money. SHG is the place to be.
You want to save money on a hotel or your car insurance? This is the place to be to get that done.
So I've been able to save really big on my car insurance, and also I've been able to save travel and the finest hotels for the past 3 months. And also I'm getting paid as I do it. So SHG is the place to be.
I've actually saved over $2,000 in the past 6 months, and I'm getting paid every Wednesday to do it.
I'm a stay-at-home mom to 3 kids under age 5, and I too have seen incredible success inside Savings Highway Global. I have been able to generate 4 to 5 figures a month every single month since I started, and I saved over $800 on my normal monthly bills.
With Savings Highway, I've not only been able to make over $65,000 in the last few months, I also saved over $1,000 on my car insurance. So if you're on this page watching this video, somewhere around here is a button to get started. Do yourself a favor and get started today.
So we're making money while we're out, and we're getting our trip at a tax deduction.
SHG is the place to be.
Yeah.